Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the sound effect to your video in CapCut PC. So it is super simple, and for instance I'm going to make the thunderbolt effect, and I'm just going to add the photo to the track and go to effect and select the nature. You can select lightning, and you can adjust for the duration in the same link with the duration of the effect. So go to audio and select sound effect to add the sound effect. So you can just type thunder, and you can select this one, for example, and you can see for the final result like this. Go. Alright, that's how you can add the sound effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.